Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality backlink. So the website name is gife.com and I can show you this website traffic and the another source we can research about that website. So according to Acharya, if the domain rating is 91 and the spam score is only 3%, domain authority 92, and this website having 24.1 million monthly traffic. So you guys have to notice these things. And after that, this website having mostly traffic from USA, UK, Canada, Germany and the France. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So now we can start. So this is the dashboard. I have recently logged in on that website. So before making this video, I try to check what kind how we can create backlinks. So I'm researching about that website, so that's why I'm created backlink, created profile. So simply you guys can go with a sign up section. There you guys can fill your all details, then you guys can simply access your profile. Okay, then after that I can go to login section. Once you guys can create a profile, then you guys can go for the top of the right corner. There is a setting button. You guys have to click over there. There you guys can start optimizing. In the display name section, there you guys can add your company name. Then you guys can click for the save with changes, and there you guys can add about your company. So I have generated description, so I'm going to add over there. In this section, then there you guys can add your website URL, your social links. You guys have to use your social links. Tumblr, you can avoid these things. Twitter, then I can go to add a YouTube link, then Instagram. Okay, so we have added all details. Then after that we can click for the save button, and you guys have to change your avatar. So we have saved it, and after that we can go with a dashboard section, and you guys will see, go to your channel. So you can see this is your profile landing page URL. Sorry, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's no refer backlink, but this is a do follow backlink. Okay, and also this website can provide some another features. So let me check. So there you guys can publish your YouTube videos if you want. So let me add it. So you guys can upload a short clip, then quick decorated. So there is so let me edit something. Hello guys, my and also there have a option you guys can add a caption. So let me add it this one only. Okay, then after that you guys can add your source URL. Source URL is very important, so must you guys have to use a short clip of your video, then you guys can edit your source URL. After that you guys can navigate a traffic over your website. Then after that you guys can upload to Gephi. And the main thing on that website, many popular websites are doing this activity. Suppose that for the NASA.com, Google, other another platforms are created profile on that website. So that's why you guys have to consider, once you guys can create your backlink, then you guys can start doing these things. And also you guys can upload your GIF from your desktop or the offline basis. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so also you guys can publish videos on that website. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project, suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section, so where you guys can find me easily, connect me easily. And for the last, if you guys can want to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from this side. Okay, so bye bye and take care.